Be that guy that learns piano this year. It's the perfect title and the perfect concept, because how many people do you know, or maybe you're one of those people, that's why you clicked on this video, has always wished to play piano, but never took the steps to actually do it for whatever reason. There's no judgment. I'm just here to help you understand yourself a little bit better, to guide you if you do want to take the steps closer to actually playing piano. So let's get into it. I think there are three main reasons why an adult who wants to play piano never actually does. Let me know if these are one of the reasons why you've never done it, why you've never taken action. And if you have another reason, I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. The first reason is time. There's just simply not enough time during the day balancing work, family, and whatever things you have going on to fit in piano. Piano takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of time, and you just don't have it. The second reason is that you feel like you're not musical enough. You don't have the skills. You won't be able to build up the skills. You don't have the dexterity in your fingers. You've tried playing before, maybe. You've tried playing with both hands and it just didn't work, so you gave up. And the final reason is that it just seems so overwhelming. There's so much to learn. Learning music theory, what the hell is that? Reading sheet music, it looks like a whole different language, like circles and dots and symbols. You have to learn so much. It's just way too overwhelming, way too intense. Just those ideas make you want to quit even before you start. Let me know if any of those reasons resonated with you. And if you have another one, let me know in the comments. I'd love to help you and address it. Let's address each one right now. When it comes to not having enough time, it's very valid. Life is intense. There's a lot going on. And even for me, I'm a full-time piano teacher. I play piano. I love it. But I have weeks where I practice maybe once or twice and I feel shitty about it, but it's okay. Life is life. I can't do anything about it. I'm doing my best, and that's all I could do. But my expectations of myself is to practice at least 1 hour a day. Why? Because I'm at that skill level where the 1 hour isn't even enough. I need 3 hours, 4 hours a day. When it comes to a beginner, a person that is just getting into piano, 1 hour is too much. I think the best time for a beginner is 15 minutes a day. And 15 minutes is not a lot. If you think you can put in 15 minutes a day into piano, that's literally all you need to get better, to get good, to start learning the basics. And once you get better, you will want to put in more time. You'll find the time, you'll make it work. But for now, 15 minutes is more than enough. The next issue you might have is you feel like you're not musical enough. You can't hear melodies well. You don't understand pitch. You can't move your fingers as well. You can't move them, play them together. You're not set up for success with piano. And the truth is that you're wrong. Anyone can learn to move their hands in any way possible. It just depends on the time you put in. It's all about training your brain, your muscle memory, nothing to do with your ability in the moment. It's about putting in the work to eventually get that ability. I wasn't born playing piano. I had to learn so much to be able to play the way I play. And that goes with every single skill you need for piano. To play by ear, to read sheet music, to be able to play fast, play slow, play expressively. All those things can be learnt. And as long as you're patient, you can do it. The last reason that we're going to discuss is feeling overwhelmed by the idea of it, because there's so much to learn and you don't know where to start. You don't know what to do because there's sheet music to learn. There's music theory. There is technique and so much more. And you have no clue what to do about it. And here's my answer. To have fun on piano and to be able to play it, you need to know a lot less than you think. A lot less. Half the stuff you see on YouTube, you don't have to know. But if you're having this issue, it means that you need someone to guide you, to tell you what to start with and where to go. And that will absolve everything. If you're one of those people, if you're any of those three people having any of those feelings, let me know in the comments, because I am here to help you. I want to help you. I have courses. I have one-on-one lessons and sessions. We could do even one session. I could just give you the roadblock and we're good. But I want you to be the person that starts playing piano this year. Do it. It's so worth it. 2026 can be the year where you start playing and impressing yourself and other people around you. that you finally took action, you finally dedicated the time, and now you have this amazing skill. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.